Hello, good day, and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 32. Calculate the volume of a cube of side 7 centimeter. The volume of a cube of side 7 centimeter. Now, options given are A equal to 440 centimeter cube, B 343 centimeter cube, C 156 centimeter cube, and D 49 centimeter cube. So we have to find the volume of a cube of side 7 centimeter. And like you know, a cube is a solid shape in which all sides are equal. Solid shape with equal sides. A solid shape with equal sides. This is just a diagrammatic expression of a cube. Let me draw a cube here. A cube is just like a solid shape of a square. A solid shape of a square. All sides are equal. All sides. This is just diagrammatic expression of a cube. So here, let's say A is L, is also equals to here, which is L, also equals to here, which is L, also equal to this place, which is L. So all sides of the cube are equal. Now, if it has side 7 centimeter, it means that all its side is 7 centimeter. Now, the formula for calculating the volume of a cube, is equal to what? L cube. That is L raised to the power of 3, because all sides are equal. So therefore, this means that what? L times L times L, and this is equal to 7 times 7 times 7, and this will give us 343 centimeter cube. Now from the options, A says 440, which is wrong. B says 343, which is correct, corresponds to our answer. C says 156 centimeter cube, which is wrong, and D says 49, which is wrong. So the correct and final answer to this question is B, 343 centimeter cube. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos.